standard 2, 3 like this, especially for the beginners. Age like 7, 8, 6, 4, 5 like this, how to start French. I start from bonjour. Bonjour, comment ça va? How are you? Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va? Ça va bien? Are you okay? Ça va? It's going well? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Tu as quel âge? How old are you? Tu as quel âge? How old are you? We can start from color. We can start from color. Rouge, red, vert, green, jaune, yellow, blanc, white, noir, black, violet, purple, rose, pink. This way we can talk about blue, blue. Encore une fois, once again, les couleurs rouge, red, blanc, white, noir, black, jaune, yellow, vert, green, rouge, red, violet, purple, rose, pink, marron, black and white, brown, like this. Same way we are talking about some les métiers dans la classe, the métiers dans la classe, the things inside the class. Stylo, pen, crayon, pencil, crayon, pencil, gum, eraser, tri-crayon, sharpener, tri-crayon, sharpener, table, table, tableau, board, sage, chair, sack, bag, cravat, tie, sack, bag, bouteille, bottle, trousse, small bag, cartable, school bag, cartable, school bag, l'école, school, professor, teacher, étudiant, student, ami, friend, patron, owner, chef, chief, bureau, office, guichet, reception, bibliothèque, library, toilet, bibliothèque, library, football, basketball, jouer, play, do the video game, do the video game, dictionnaire, dictionary, regular, scale, papier, paper, libre, book. These are the basic things inside your classroom. Similarly, we talk about the body part. Lepakti dukha is C. Here we are talking about the body part. Sabhu, monto, visage, orei, sabhu, monto, visage, les joues, nez, bouche, langue, oreille, joue, cheek, oi, eye, sabu, here, monto, le front, monto, chin, le front, forehead, visage, face, oi eyes, ne nose, orei ear, apple soldier, bra hand, bra arm, ma hand, ongla finger, push thumb, sabu here like this, apple soldier, poitrine, chest, ventre, stomach, thigh, waist, कुश thigh, janu knee, jam leg, pa foot. These way we can talk the body part. Ku neck, don teeth, These are the vocabulary for body part. Lepakti duko, bijaj, sagu, phon, bra, apple, ma, poitrine, cu, orei, oi, ne, bush, barb, mustache, sagu. This way we talk about the body part. How to say greets? Bonjour, enchanté, nice to meet you. Bonjour, all times greeting for the daytime. Bonjour, good day. We cannot say good day at night. Good day, bonjour, especially for the daytime. Bonjour, say good morning. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne nuit, good night. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Au revoir, bye bye. Salut, hi, bye. Salut, hi, bye. Bonjour, formal. Salut, informal. For friends and family, we can say salut. For stranger and senior people, official and formal, we say bonjour. Hello, hello. Au revoir, bye bye. Au revoir, bye bye. Bon appétit, enjoy meal. Bon appétit, enjoy meal. Bon Noël, Happy New Year. Bon voyage, happy travel. Bonne santé, good health. Bon voyage, happy travel. Bon anniversaire, happy birthday. Bon anniversaire, happy birthday. Joyeux anniversaire, enjoy your happy birthday. Bon fête, enjoy your festival. Bon Noël, happy New Year. Bon Noël, happy New Year. These are the basic vocabulary. How to say compliment and excuse. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Pardon, pardon me. Pardon, pardon me. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Félicitations, congratulations. Félicitations, congratulations. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Pardon, pardon me. Désolé, sorry. Désolé, sorry. S'il vous plaît, please. S'il vous plaît, please. It is official. S'il te plaît, it is unofficial. For younger, s'il vous plaît, respective way, respect way to say please and request. Excusez-moi, excuse me. If you disturb somebody else, you can say, excusez-moi, I'm going to disturb you, sorry for that. This way, we can say the basic greetings. How to introduce yourself? Jamapel Bhatrai Arjun. Jamapel Bhatrai Arjun. Kamatutapel, what's your name? For the younger. Kamatutapel, what's your name? The teacher can ask to the student, younger one. Kamatutapel, what's your name? Keladatu, how old are you? Keladatu, how old are you? Keladatu, how old are you? Tu habitu, where do you live? Tu habitu, where do you live? Tu habitu, where do you live? For the polite form, for the senior, vous habitez où? Vous habitez où? Where do you live? Vous avez quel âge? How old are you? Vous avez quel âge? How old are you? Quel est votre nom? What's your name? Quel est votre nom? What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? How you call yourself? Comment vous appelez-vous? How you call yourself? Merci beaucoup.